God has given us natural hair, and he went ahead to also give us the solution from natural ingredients. In today's video, worry no more, because we'll be diving into a remedy and an ancient remedy used over years. Our ancestors also used this recipe, and if you're interested, please stay tuned, because today's video is about clove, rosemary and aloe vera in one video. I'm so excited. Let me calm my nerves down. I found this recipe and it has been useful to me. I was struggling with dandruff, and you have a lot of hair breakage, oily scalp, you find it difficult to pass a particular length. Keep watching this video, because in today's video has a lot of information and it has a lot of powerful ingredients mixed and combined together. If you really want to solve your hair issues tonight and today, because I'm doing this video is in the night, keep watching this video. So let us get into this video proper, and the reason why we decided to combine these three powerful ingredients in one oil. Aloe vera deeply moisturizes, conditions the hair, soothing the scalp to reduce itchiness and dandruff, promoting hair growth. Because if your hair has dandruff and you are struggling with itchy scalp, please do well to welcome aloe vera in your hair growth routine. Hello icons, welcome and welcome back. I'm glad to have you in today's video. Make this oil, get any oil of your choice apart from castor oil, because castor oil is a very heavy oil which shouldn't be used on the scalp. So what we are trying to do is like we are mimicking the hair sebum from our scalp. So we are going to use light oil that has almost the same properties with natural hair sebum. So use a light oil. In this video I use palm kernel oil because it works so well for my own. Go with the oil of your choice. Combine these three ingredients in one pot, add in your oil, put it on a very minimal heat. After taking it from the fire, you can leave this to infuse in the oil for furthermore 24 hours. That's just one day. Rosemary potentially promotes hair growth, reducing hair loss and improving scalp health. If you are struggling with hair fall, make rosemary your own best friend. And through the anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, also the antimicrobial properties from this rosemary will be helpful to your scalp. So do well to use this rosemary to your hair. Rosemary works by boosting blood circulation to the scalp, which nourishes the hair follicles and also help with issues like dandruff and scalp itching. You can use it by mixing rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil, or just doing it the way I'm doing here. Then you massage it on the entire scalp and also the length of your hair. This oil doesn't have any magic potion in it, so therefore as you make it, make sure to be using it on your scalp to see results. Don't make this oil and keep it in your room just to decorate your room and said it doesn't work. Before you will condemn this oil, please do well to use this oil regularly for about 3 to 6 months. Then you'll see what it will do to your hair, and be taking pictures as you are doing this challenge. For us, adding cloves into this hair oil, it boosts hair circulation to the scalp, promotes hair growth, and strengthens the follicles. Cloves also protect against damage and condition your hair to stop dandruff. Cloves can also add shine and condition your hair, making it appear more shinier, more vibrant, and reduce breakage, split ends, and stimulate blood circulation. The high content of water in aloe vera deeply hydrates hair strands and scalp, making the hair softer, smoother, and also shinier. Aloe vera also reduces dandruff by addressing scalp inflammation and cleaning excess oil. If you are enjoying this video so far, do well to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Always come back to stick with me because I have an amazing recipes in this channel that will help your hair out grow faster, long, thicker, and healthier. As you see me apply this oil on my scalp, please you to do well to take care of your hair today. Your hair needs you. A happy hair, it's a growing hair. A sad hair, it's a breaking hair. So do well to oil your scalp today, massage, and take care of your entire scalp. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a huge thumbs up for this video to reach out for a lot of people to see and watch. If you did not take anything away from this video, you should take this one, because what they call oiling scalp or scalp massages are the best way you can ever promote hair growth. If you want to retain length, make sure you moisturize the length of your hair, the entire length of your hair. As you can see me oiling the tips of my hair, it helps a lot. I'm grateful for all the subscribers I have. I think I'm at 5,000 plus right now. I'm grateful for all my subscribers. May God bless you and keep on keeping you safe. Do well to also watch the ads that pop up on my video, because that is where you can actually bless me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.